We're seeing so much injustice, and not just in this country, but in the world. It's of a magnitude that we, in a million years, could never have predicted that we would be dealing with this, but here we are. And one of the things I want to address, because I have been seeing this a lot in my practice, as you could imagine, is if you're an employee, and specifically if you are a professor, a teacher, and if you have now lost your job or you've been suspended or terminated because you failed to disclose your medical information, which, by the way, you have every right to protect under our laws, but if you have now lost your job because of that, and if they now have a replacement professor teaching your course, and this is a course that you created, you own the academic intellectual property, and your former employer and this educational institution does not have the right to use your course materials without your approved consent. So make sure you notify the educational institution that they need to cease and desist using your course materials to teach the students, because that is your intellectual property.